Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, February 21st, 2019. Hopefully everyone had an enjoyable snow day yesterday. However, because of the snow day, that is the final day that we're able to do a blizzard bag without having to make up that day at the end of the school year. Therefore, blizzard bags are due on March 6th. Which is 2 weeks from yesterday. We had quite a few people that procrastinated and did not do blizzard bags 1 or 2, so that it's very important that we go through and we do not procrastinate on this. In math, there is no homework for regular math. Honors math is a lesson 11.3. In science, we've got our wanted poster. All information can be found on Google Classroom for that. That's something we started in class Tuesday. We worked on in class today. Remember, there are no homework passes allowed to be used on this. Remember, we are doing a wanted poster for one of the main organs of the body of your choosing. In social studies on Google Classroom, we've got India reading number 2. Students, please make sure that you're doing the reading that goes along with the assignment. Just don't go to the Google form and fill in answers and hit submit, because chances are you're not going to do well on it. In language arts, we've got our test over the Watsons Go to Birmingham. All right, study the pink notes that you have been taking throughout reading the book. Mrs. Murray is going to collect those tomorrow. And you also need to go back and read through your journal entries as ways to prepare. Remember, at the same time, you still have access to the entire book chapter by chapter on the classroom stream. Today we listen to journals 14 and 15. You may do those tonight for homework, and those will actually be optional for extra credit. So you don't have to do them, but it's your choice if you would like to. And in literature, we've got assignment 3, which is over chapters 9 through 15. We spent a great deal of time in class today working on that together, but you still had 15 minutes to work independently on your own. So for those of you that took advantage of that 15 minutes time frame to work on that, you're going to be very well prepared to get that done and get that turned in. That's it for this Thursday. Make it a good one.